morning students. In last lecture we had completed unit number 3, question number 1 up to paragraph number 4 in workbook. Now let's see the paragraph number 5. In a little while the rain stopped. Jia looked out of the window. All the children had rushed out to put their paper boats in a stream by the road. There were pink boats and white boats, big boats and little boats. They rose and fell with the tiny waves. The weak boats overturned and sank, while the strong ones sailed on. Now, see the questions. First one. What did the children do? Answer is, the children ran out and put their paper boats in a stream by a road. The children ran out and put their paper boats in a stream by a road. See the question number 2. How did the boats sail? Answer is, the boats rose and fell with the tiny waves. The boats rose and fell with the tiny waves. Third one. What happened to the weak boats? Answer is, the weak boats overturned. Fourth one. What happened to the strong boats? Answer is, the strong boats sailed on. The strong boats sailed on. Now see the question number 5. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box given. First one. All the children had rushed out to blank. Options are jump in the puddles, play in the rain, put their paper boats in a stream by the road, or put their red boats in a stream by the roads. So the answer is C. All the children had rushed out to put their paper boats in a stream by the road. So write here C. Second one. The boats blank with the tiny waves. Options are sailed, sunk, jumped, rose and fell. Answer is D. So write here D. The boats rose and fell with the tiny waves. Third one. The weak boats blank. Options are sailed on, overturned and sank, jumped and got wet. Answer is B. Overturned and sank. So write here B. The weak boats overturned and sank. Fourth one. The strong boats blank. Options are sailed on, overturned and sank, jumped and got wet. Answer is sailed on. S-A-I-L-E-D-O-N. Sailed on. So write here A. See the paragraph number 6. I will take my boat too, thought Jia. She washed her boat. It became bright and shiny. She went up to the stream. She wound the key and carefully put the boat in the water. Whir, it went quickly. It left all the paper boats behind. She looked proudly at the other children. Look at my boat. She clapped. Now see the questions. First one. What did Jia do with the boat before taking it out? Answer is, before taking the boat, Jia washed it. Second one. How did Jia feel when she sailed her boat? Answer is, Jia felt proud when she sailed her boat. Third one. Why was Jia proud? Answer is, Jia was proud because her boat left all the paper boats behind. Jia was proud because her bot left all the paper bots behind. See the question number 4. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box given. First one. Jia washed her bot. It became. Options are clean, bright and shiny, wet, dull and white. Answer is bright and shiny. So write here B. Next one. Jia's bought blank. Options are got wet, sunk, sailed slowly or left all the paper boats behind. Answer is left all the paper boats behind. So write here D. Now see the paragraph number 7. Suddenly a piece of wood banged into Jia's boat and it broke into pieces. She sat down and cried, "Don't worry, you shall play with my boat." She looked up. Dhruv was holding a red boat in his hand. It was just like Jia's boat. "Papa bought it for me," Dhruv explained. "Come, let us sail it in the bathtub." Jia smiled. They were friends once again. Let's see the questions. First one. What happened to Jia's boat? Answer is a big piece of wood hit Jia's boat and it broke in pieces. A big piece of wood hit Jia's boat and it broke in pieces. Second one. Who had a red boat? Answer is Dhruv had a red boat. Third one. Who said to whom? You shall play with my boat. ये सेंटेंस किसने किसको कहा? So, answer is Dhruv said to Jia. Question number 4. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box given. First one. A piece of wood banged into Jia's boat and blank. Options are it stuck to the wood, it sunk, it sailed faster and it broke into pieces. Answer is D. So write here D. A piece of wood banged into Jia's boat and it broke into pieces. Second one, Dhruv had a blank. Options are white boat, red boat, blue boat and green boat. Answer is B. Red boat. Dhruv had a red boat in his hand. Now see the question number 6. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Words are zoom, ding dong, zzz, click click, clip clop, tick tock, ha ha, rat a tat, achoo, purr purr, flip flop, bang bang, boo hoo, vroom vroom and pitter patter. नाउ ये जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उसका यूज़ करके हमें यहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स फिल करनी है. नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल. कैमरा. सो कैमरा कैसे आवाज़ करता है? क्लिक क्लिक. हॉर्स. हॉर्स क्लिप क्लॉप. स्लीपर्स flip flop. Knock on the door, rat-a-tat. Bell, ding dong. Sleeping, zzz. Gun, bang bang. Crying, boo hoo. Clock, tick tock. Laughter, ha ha. Car engine, purr purr. Sneeze, achoo. Bike engine, vroom vroom. Aeroplane, zoom. And rain, pitter patter. Understood? Now question number 7. Look at the picture and answer the questions. ये पिक्चर को देखना है और नीचे दिए गए क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लिखने हैं. So the first question is, how many trees are there in the picture? ये पिक्चर है, उसमें कितने ट्रीज दिख रहे हैं हमें? One tree. So right here there is one tree in the picture. Second one, how many apples are there on the tree? Let's see. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many apples are there? There are 6 apples. So right here there are 6 apples on the tree. Third one, how many birds are there in the picture? Let's see. How many birds are there? 1, 2 and 3. So right here there are 3 birds in the picture. Fourth one, how many honeybees can you see? See here. How many honeybees are there? 1, 2 and 3. Right here I can see 3 honeybees. Fifth one, how many ants can you see? How many ants are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So right here I can see 4 ants. Next one, what is the boy doing? See here, what is the boy doing? He is flying a kite. So right here the boy is flying a kite. Next one, what is the color of the kite? So kite का कलर क्या था? Yellow color. So right here the color of the kite is yellow. Next one, what is the color of the man's cap? Answer is, the color of man's cap is red. Next one, how many leaves are there under the tree? See here, how many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 leaves. So right here there are 8 leaves under the tree. Next one, what is the color of the man's shirt? Answer is, the color of man's shirt is blue. Now question number 8. Look at the pictures and write the names of the seasons. Fill in the blanks for each picture. First one is summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. First one, we wear blank clothes in summer. Summer में हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? Cotton या woolen? Answer is cotton. So right here C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. Second one, we enjoy blank in summer. Hot tea or ice cream? Summer में हम क्या खाते हैं? Ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. We enjoy ice cream in summer. Next one, which season is this? Monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N. Monsoon. We wear blank in monsoon. A sweater or a raincoat. क्या पहनते हैं हम monsoon में? Raincoat. So we wear a raincoat in monsoon. Second one, we enjoy blank in monsoon. Sailing paper boats or collecting flowers. Answer is sailing paper boats. So right here sailing paper boats. We enjoy sailing paper boats in monsoon. Next one, winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. We wear blank clothes in winter. Cotton or woolen? We wear woolen clothes in winter. Second one, we enjoy blank in winter. Hot tea or ice cream? So write here hot tea. We enjoy hot tea in winter. Which season is this? Spring or autumn? Answer is spring. So write here spring, spring. Which season is this? This is autumn. So write here autumn. Now see the question number 9. Draw a picture of your favorite vehicle. Boat, aeroplane, bicycle, car, etc. and color it. यहाँ पे जो स्पेस दी गई है उसमें आपको आपके फेवरेट व्हीकल का पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है और उसमें कलर करना है. Question number 10. Make a paper boat and paste it in the box. Draw water, sun, clouds, etc. to make a scenery. Color the picture. यहाँ पे जो स्पेस दी गई है उसमें आपको एक पेपर बोट बना के चिपकाना है और उसमें ये जो स्पेस दी गई है वहाँ पे वाटर, सन और क्लाउड्स ड्रॉ करके उसमें कलर करना है. So students, you have to complete question number 1 के paragraph number 5, 6, 7 and question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in workbook.